In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade matches and differs, over under, and even odd manually on Deriv, right? As you know, for those who have been trading manually on Deriv, right now with the new interface, it is a headache. Some strategies that we are using, you cannot use them. As you can see, we do not have digit circles, we do not have candlesticks, we do not have the changing digits. All we have is this line chart, which is not reliable and which is difficult to use. And most traders who have tried using it have actually ended up suffering losses because it is so random. So how can you trade manually, all right? Trading rise and fall, trading call and put, trading and low, it is okay because you have candlesticks. That is completely fine. But now when it comes to digits, that is where the headache is. Okay, so we'll be looking at how can you trade digits manually, all right? So it is simple, right? First of all, you minimize your screen. Ensure you have two parts of your screen where one part of your screen is showing Deriv.com, the other part is showing DBTraders.com, all right? Yeah, so on DBTraders, this is what we'll use. Now, what do? Now, you come to DBTraders, as you can see, we have, the good thing about DBTraders is that you have the digit circles, you have this last digit, you also have this analysis tool here. But remember, only do your trades on the official platform, but you can use this platform to access the analysis tool, okay? The site is called DBTraders.com. You can use any third-party website. There are so many. I usually use this one because of its simplicity. I'm not affiliated with it. It is not my website. It has not sponsored the video. I'm just giving you a solution that I've been using that has made my work easier, okay? So if you're trading something like over 7, over 6, or basically if you're a good manual trader, you can use this website. It will enable you to trade comfortably. So you can be trading manually on this side while you're analyzing on this side, all right? If you only have a phone, and sure you have two phones, one phone on dbtraders.com, one phone on deriv.com, you can be able to trade easily, okay? Yeah, so I can be analyzing as I'm trading at the same time. Okay, yeah, and basically it will make your it will make your work much easier. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the percentages are the same. Here 1 is 10.8, here 1 is 10.8, here 9 is 10.6, here 9 is 10.7. Okay, they are matching. Okay, so there's no similarity. It is just that now you'll be having the analysis tool while you're trading on the official platform. Okay, if you have any question about this, let me know down in the comment section and I'll guide you. But yeah, this is how basically you can trade manually without any stress. Okay, yeah, I urge you to use DBTraders because it is the one I used for my analysis. It is much simpler to use. Okay, as you can see, I have everything I need, so my work can be just be analyzing as I'm trading, okay? And all the strategies that you have covered on this channel can still be applicable while you're trading and using this analysis tool, okay? If you need any clarification, let me know and I'll be able to guide you further. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing. Please ensure like and subscribe and click the Telegram link in our description to join our group. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you once again, guys, and have a good one. Cheers.